Okay.
What is that, baby? Memorial?
Yes. War Memorial.
World?
Go ahead. Well, that 11th of September one. Yeah, well, everywhere's got one there. One in Sheffield outside the city hall.
Where is our hotel?
Yeah, somewhere in the distance.
Cool here, huh?
Because
Because we are in the shade. Yeah. So,
probably as soon as right out, as soon as
yeah. Oh. Esplanade. Esplanade. I thought it's La Esperanza. Very nice. Nindot kaayo diri, guys. Alas 3 na sa hapon. Nag-walking lang ang mga person. Kaya mauman ni life sa mga bakasyon. Mag-walking. We are here now. Our hotel. Somerset. No, it's not yet. No. Wait lang, babe.
I'm getting dizzy.
I think next. Not there, not one. Next one.
No, but the next one is miles.
Huh? So where is the Somerset?
What's there?
No, it's not. It's going there. It's there. Oh, not this side. It's that side. Because we are still in George. So next is George. Next George is Somerset. Where is the man, with the hat ba? Where is that?
Mad Hatter, that's what
Man,
for.
yeah. Next area. Sakripisyo. Very long walk. We are now in George Hotel. So next is Somerset.
This one will go from here.
Yeah.
So there's quite a long walk out here.
Yes, but it's nice.
Yeah, still get wrong. It's nice walk.
Yeah. The road is good, not bad. Very clean.
If you stop now,
Yeah. You want to
that's
stop?
halfway. No, it's right. Look at halfway walked.
Very far. Oh, see, dito gikan guys, kinalayuan. As in, very far. Oh, Karinga. Asa naman tong nagkalo eh? The man and the island. Very long walk today, guys. Very nice air. Dili siya kayo cold. It's really nice. The Trivon. Oh, the Trivon.
I think we came out at the right time, baby.
Haha. Why?
But because it's been quite warm and stuff, most of the time we've been out.
Yeah. Morning, cold morning. Very long walk. Good exercise, babe. Stop if you're tired. You're nearly there. Look, I can see the man now. The hut. With the hut. It's a wooden hut. It's a called wooden hut.
Well, the Mad Hatter.
Sorry, wooden.
The
Wooden
Mad Hatter is called.
Manhattan.
The Mad
Ah,
Hatter.
okay.
It's a strange story, babe. Alice in Wonderland.
Sus, kalayuan ni eh.
Very, very strange. She follows a white rabbit down a rabbit hole.
I can see our hotel now, the Somerset Hotel.
It's white, babe.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's white.
Sorry?
It's painted white.
Yeah. Oh, white. I know some are yellow, some green.
Yeah, it's all yellow. It's almost all white, babe. Most of it's white. Oh, wait. On the front of maybe it's a little bit, but most of it's white. You see when they jump off in the lounge.
Hmm?
You see they jump off in the lounge. So I'll go to the room.
You want to go to the room now?
Yeah, because I want to see her.
Okay, I'm going also, don't worry.
Hey, wait, where are you?
No, it's not now.
We took a video all the way in the front there, so.
I'm gonna stop. Wait lang, wait, stop, babe. Wait a minute, babe.